So to do a coordinate proof, we need a good, well-labeled picture and a nice chart that has the slope and the distance of each side of the shape so that we can then make observations about that shape. So pause the video, draw a picture, label everything, get a list of slopes and distances in a reasonably neat chart so we can look at it. And then when you unpause it and start this again, it will have everything there for you. So take a second, pause it, do all of that, and then come back. So here's the picture of the shape right there. I've got all of the slope, necessary things for slope labeled and put in the right spot. And then in my little chart here, I have the slopes all labeled there, and I have the distances all labeled there. One of them jumped to the wrong place, but that's okay for now. So now what I need to do is I need to look at the information that I've found. And I'm looking for things that are parallel, things that are perpendicular, things that are congruent based on what kind of shape it is. It's a trapezoid, so we have to think about what a trapezoid is, and we want one pair of parallel sides. So the one thing that we have not normally done is we have not normally worried about if the slopes were reduced or not. Right now I got to do that. So the only slope that will reduce is mu, and that will reduce to 1 over 1. And then what I should notice is that this slope and this slope are parallel, and you should go ahead and label that right in the problem like you're doing right there. So that information is enough to make it a trapezoid, because we're kind of talking here about how to do these in general. I also should probably notice that these two right here are congruent. So that means this is actually also an isosceles trapezoid, even though it didn't ask that. Last step to any coordinate proof, write yourself a statement. So just like always with these, doing it right based on my calculations, because it tells me the calculations, it tells me that I should know what I'm doing here, and it makes me sound like I know what I'm doing. So BRUM is a trapezoid because it has one pair of parallel sides. And if you're not sure what's what, up at the top of this file, there's a list of the ways that I want you to know how to prove the different shapes are a specific shape. All right?